Hello and welcome to IT876. And I recently ran into an issue where I was trying to do some work on my laptop when I realized that the cursor was not moving. The touchpad was not responding, right? So I went on YouTube trying to see a video where someone fixed the problem. And I went through like 10 videos and not one of those persons had a sensible solution. So I went to doing my own investigation by touching everything I can, right? So there's a simple solution. And that simple solution is by pressing this button here. It is F10, right? So maybe I had pressed it mistakenly and it deactivated the touchpad, right? So again, if your cursor is not moving, right, you may have touched the F10 button by mistake, right? And all you need to do is press it again to deactivate, and your cursor will be back in motion.